This is the start of our new day for our weekend. Sprinkler time. Because we need a pool.
I don't want it to hurt me.
Oh no, you don't want to trip on it, huh?
No, because it will hurt me.
Woohoo! Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels so good. I got you. So I recently did this where I took the grass out of here. We got the bricks a while ago, but it was filled in with grass, like as high as this grass, really. This grass is really high, but Russ is in the process of mowing it. We have a lot of cleanup to do. Excuse the mess. But this is what I currently have to work with. I have to take out the mulch, then use my husband's pickaxe, get the grass out, put some cardboard on top of that. Well, I'll have to take the dirt down a little bit because it's kind of up high for the tree. And same goes for that one. That one's going to be a tough one too. But take the grass out, put cardboard over that, put the mulch back on top of that. Let's just say this tree, it was actually pretty difficult. It took me a few hours. So this one and that one is probably going to take me a while. But I got the weekend. I'm going to do laundry. Got tons of work to do this weekend. It's going to be a makeup weekend for our Memorial weekend. And it's really windy out here today. So for the moment, before I really start working on those trees, I transplanted my plants. These are actually supposed to be outdoor. This is sage, and then there's mint over there. I don't know if you saw that. I can't even see. Yeah, it's right there. I love the smell of mint. I love the smell of sage, and sage actually keeps away some bugs, so there's a bonus. I have another sage in here. But this one is getting really big. I need to transplant that really bad. Hi.
What?
You guys are so cute.
No.
Colin, do you love your dad?
Do you love it when I do this?
Yeah. Whoa. Speedy Gonzalez. Our husband just came home. We had some fish tacos.
Mowed the lawn.
Mow the lawn. Well, finished mowing the lawn because the back here was treacherous. But tomorrow will be a busy day. It'll be all chores day. Nothing too extravagant. I might vlog something special, but
We have people coming over.
I know, but at the end of the day, at like 5 p.m. we have people coming over. It should be fun. We're gonna have pizza and s'mores and friends. It'll be great. But we will see you tomorrow.
What's up, everybody? It is very early in the morning, about 5:30, and I am headed to go play frisbee golf with a couple friends. We always play on the weekends, many times during the middle of the week as well. I usually can't make the middle of the week ones, but we play really early because you get to have some fun, and then the day is still just starting. Well, I'm the first one here. So for anybody who doesn't know what these baskets look like, they look like that guy right there. Oh, so close.
Good morning. Colin is excited because we're gonna watch the trash truck. Trash truck's going by. Oh, I hear it.
Yep. Me too.
It already went by our house once to our neighbors across the street, and then it'll go to our house. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired looking.
There it is.
There it is. One of Colin's favorite shows is actually Trash Truck on Netflix. I don't know if any of you have watched it or if any of you have kids, but it's cute.
Right there.
Oh man. It's coming. Oh, there it is. Are you excited? Love that face.
Oh, it's gonna get ours.
Is it gonna get ours?
Yeah.
Kona. Jeez. He can't see you, buddy. That's what I'm saying. You gotta go inside. Whoa. Colin, was that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it gonna?
There'll be another one later today. To pick up the green one.
Oh.
Yeah. Sorry about the dog noise. Kona, she just loves getting in your business, and then she has this morning cough. I don't know what it is. Yeah, you.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you, Miss Naked Girl. Miss Naked. Oh, don't you even give me that face. Kona. She's a nighttime bedwetter. Just figured that out. She keeps pottying on her bed, which isn't good. Yeah, buddy. Hey! Yeah! Take the booty.
So last night we had our pizza s'mores party with a bunch of our friends and neighbors, and it was so much fun. We actually forgot to film. Everybody had fun. It was a blast. Sorry we didn't get anything on film. That's okay. Sometimes you just forget, and that just means you had that much more fun, and it's okay. But today, this guy, our Plecostomus, who is about 14 inches long, he's outgrown our tank. A 55-gallon tank is no longer large enough for him to also share it with other fish. As you can see, our tank gets pretty nasty now. It's too much for that tank to handle. So we have a pet store that is going to take him in for free, which before people think like, oh, he's a huge fish, you should sell him. Good luck. This place is doing us a huge favor by not making us pay to take him in. So I am going to give Northwest Seed and Pet a huge kudos and shout out for taking our fish in, and we plan on doing plenty of future business with them in the future. For doing so, thank you guys so much. If anybody sees this video from the store.
For any of you who do decide to do this, don't think about just taking your fish anywhere to a different pond or a river or anything like that. It's actually against the law. So don't do it.
Are you filming now?
Yeah.
Hey, Colin, are you ready to get rid of Squishy?
Why?
Colin, see Squishy? He's too big for our tank.
But our tank is fatter. Like,
I know,
That
but
fat.
it's hard for him to turn around and stuff. Yeah, he's just too big for our tank, so we have to give him away. But you know what that means? Sometime soon, when the tank is all clean again, we'll get new fish when Sissy comes back. You'll get new fish?
yeah.
Yeah, take it out. That was like more than halfway.
That's all right.
Okay. Yeah, push this. I don't know if you need my hand to help or what. Oh, God.
Yeah, this thing isn't even gonna help a little bit.
Ah!
Yeah. Oh, no! No!
Okay, he knows.
He took it! He's guarding it! He's gonna bite me.
Bite.
He's gonna bite me. Do I have an actual fishing net? Yeah, this isn't even helping.
No, I just need to be quick.
Get him in his corner.
Hold on, let me think of something.
I got him.
Okay, I got the ball right here. Get him in there. Oh, wow.
Man, he's rough.
He's strong.
He's got rough scales. He's got alligators.
He's huge.
Yeah,
All right,
here.
we got him.
Yeah, you guys see, this is a cat litter box that we use.
Like one of those big ones that
Yeah.
you guys buy.
Yeah, these cat litter boxes. Sorry, it's sideways.
And he half fits in it.
Sitting in the back seat right now, just keeping an eye on the, oh gosh, splashes. Yeah, you're gonna have to.
I know, start and stop slow.
Yeah. How's that feel having a fish back here, bud?
Good.
Good.
Mom's caught the biggest fish this year so far.
Yeah, right. Here, here's yours. Okay, Colin, come on, Bubba.
Plecostomus, large one.
Whoa. You guys selling him?
We're
Not
just
giving
to
him. We're done with it. Look at them. They're all looking at you. Oh my goodness, look at them all. Look at them all. Daddy's this way. Let's look. Ooh. Look at all the fishies. Ooh, let's look. That's a big one. Keep your hands out though, okay? Oh look, there's a Plecostomus right there.
He is really good.
Oh, look at him. He wants your finger. It's so cute. There's a frog right there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at these guys. They're yellow. You see it? They got yellow legs.
Cool.
One of those.
Yeah, they take a lot of room.
Oh, this is so pretty. Jungle Town. More chicks. You want to look? Oh, they have turkeys and chickens. Oh. Yeah, bunny. Oh, and little rodents. Yeah. These are cute.
Ooh, look at those spiders.
Spiders, buddy. No, they're... Look at them all. I wish I had a chicken. He doesn't want one. Oh my gosh, that's a massive one.
He's scared because his mom's yelling.
No, I'm not scared.
He ducked his head the moment
He's tired.
1977, Colin. That tortoise, buddy, he is 8 years older, or 7 years older than Dad.
So we ended up going to Qdoba. We're here right now. I haven't been here in so long. I forgot how good it is. Any of you who have a Qdoba in town, which most of you do, super good.
Okay, so we got rid of Squishy. We got some lunch. We're about ready to head home, and then we're gonna do some work on the fish tank and maybe go get some more freshwater plants because Squishy always just tore them up when he would swim by them. But now without any larger fish in the tank, they should be able to stay a little bit better.
All right, so now we stopping off the Petco in town where we live just to get some plants for our fish tank before we clean it up. We like the real plants because they keep them cleaner. So we're doing our traditional stroll with the dogs and the kiddo. We're walking them
Why, Shauna?
everywhere. Yep, they're nice strolls. We like these ones. Yep, the dogs love these times. And Kona with her new haircut. For those of you who didn't see our last vlog, she got a shave. Yeah, she's naked grandma. Whoa! That's so fast! Wow!
Good job, dude.
Good job, buddy! Alright, so we're back inside. I'm gonna make some turkey burgers. So we're always doing beef burgers because, well, that's what people do. You know, we love beef burgers, we love cheeseburgers, But I've decided to do kind of a mix-up of something too. I'm gonna do turkey burgers tonight. Also because I want to eat healthier too. But you know, we're not gonna do this all the time. I'm just want a little change in our diet a little bit. We always do the norm. So tonight we are doing turkey burgers, and it's gonna be good, I hope. I've never done it, so we'll see how it turns out. All right, so I think it was a success.
Yes.
Mr. Piled High here already ate one. Pretty good. Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, buddy, is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You're just eating the bun. You gotta eat the burger too, silly. But I had one patty left to cook, and yeah, I haven't tried it yet. I'm doing the healthy way. No bun, just lettuce. I love butter lettuce, by the way. It's like my ultimate favorite. So this was one of those uneventful weekends. Well, not uneventful. We still had people over, but for you guys, it was uneventful. But next weekend should be better because it will be our Father's Day weekend since Bella is going out of town with her mom the next weekend. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, push that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.